Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. Another one of our great LS engines has been an LS7 441 cubic inch engine. Just got done making about 735 horsepower. The gentleman requested a custom painted block. This has a Cali crank at his request. And we did some designs for him. We also took his valve covers and custom painted them orange. We didn't want to put them on the motor at this time because the coil packs are going to get mounted to the side. This is a drive-by wire on this throttle body also. And this happens to have a black kit on here. Looks fantastic. Got some great pieces. This is going into a 69 Chevy Camaro. We love each and every project that we get our hands on. If anyone has something that they would like me to build, give me a call. We'd be happy to work it out. Hey, peace. I got this badass 69 Chevy Camaro engine. Happens to be our Chevy LS7 441 cubic inch. Motor is everything is yours except for the valve covers that I'm going to put on when it's done. I'm going to fire it up and give you a demo. Runs beautiful. Nice muscle car chop to it too.